शिक्षा अधिकार सर्वशिक्षा अभियान सभी पढ़ंतु सभी पढ़ंतु। मन रखंतु आपणक प्रिय यूट्यूब चैनल रो नाम सुपरस्टार्स एक्सप्रेस। प्रत्येक रविवार दिन 10टा पर ठारू उक्त चैनल खोली नुआ नुआ चटापट स्मार्ट कार्यक्रम देखिबार सुजोग नियंतु एवं आमको उत्साहित करंतु।
आसंतु एबे नवम श्रेणी इंग्रेज बहीर पाठ्यक्रम में सामिल हेबा पोएम होम एंड लव घर और स्नेह। पोएट रॉबर्ट विलियम सर्विस।
Just home and love, the words are small, 4 little letters onto each.
वन नोट्स अंटो अर्थ आड़को भावार्थ केवल घर और स्नेह ए दुईटी शब्द केते क्षुद्र 4टी अक्षर विशिष्ट दुईटी शब्द परस्पर आड़को केते निबिड़।
And yet you will not find in all the wide and gracious range of speech.
ग्रेसियस मीन्स आनंददायक और मधुर। भावार्थ एई दुईटी शब्द मध्य जो आनंददायक और मधुर भाव निहित रही ताहा तुमे अन्यत्र पाइब नहीं।
Two more so tenderly complete when angels talk in heaven above. I am sure they have no words more sweet than home and love.
टेंडरली अर्थ सरल और भाव उद्रेककारी। भावार्थ एई दुटी शब्द खूब सरल भाव उद्रेककारी। जेतेबेले स्वर्ग रे देवदूत माने कथबार्ता हुअन्ति मु निश्चित जे सेमाने दुईटी मधुर शब्द होम और लव रो विकल्प पाती नहीं।
Just home and love, it's hard to guess which of the two were best to gain. Home without love is bitterness, love without home is often pain.
गस अर्थ अनुमान करवा, बिटरनेस अर्थ मनर तिक्तता। भावार्थ केवल घर और स्नेह ए दुईटी शब्द मध्य केउटी उत्कृष्टता बुझा बड़ कष्टकर। स्नेह बिना घर विरक्तकर, घर बिना स्नेह अधिकांश जंत्रणापूर्ण।
No, each alone will seldom do. Somehow they travel hand and glove. If you win one, you must have two, both home and love.
सेल्डम अर्थ क्वचित, हैंड एंड ग्लोव अर्थ परस्पर प्रति निकटतर। ना घर बा स्नेह एकुटिया क्वचित सफल पाइपर जहाँकि से निकटतर साथी हो यात्रा करिथांती। तुमे जदि एथिरु गोटी को लाभ कर अन्यटी आपणा छाई मिली थाए।
And if you have both, well then I am sure you ought to sing the whole day long. It does not matter if you are poor. With this to make divine your song.
ऑट टू सिंग अर्थ गाइबा उचित, डिवाइन अर्थ स्वर्गीय। भावार्थ जदि तुम्हें उभय को पाई जाओ ताहले खूब उत्तम एवं निश्चित जे तुमर सारा दिन आनंद रे गीत गाई कटिजिब। जदि भी तुम्हें गरीब होइथिबो तेबे भी किछि फरक पड़िबो नाही। एई दुईटी अधिकारी हेले तुमे तुमर गाथा को ऐश्वरिक तथा आनंददायक करि पारिबो।
And so I praisefully repeat, when angels talk in heaven above, there are no words more simply sweet than home and love.
प्रेजफुली अर्थ प्रशंसापूर्ण भाव, हेवेन अर्थ स्वर्ग। भावार्थ तेणु मो प्रशंसापूर्ण कंठरे पुणी कहूची उपरे स्वर्ग रे जेतेबेले देवदूत माने कथबार्ता हुअन्ति सेतेबेले होम और लव भली सरल सुमधुर शब्दर विकल्प पाती नहीं। भेरी शॉर्ट क्वेश्चंस एंड आंसर्स। पिला माने तुम परीक्षा रे पोएम सेक्शन रु केवल एक धाड़ी रे 10टी प्रश्न 10 मार्क्स रो पड़े। तेणु एठारे तुमको सेही भली परीक्षा संभावित प्रश्नोत्तर आलोचना करा जाउछि। हु इज द पोएट ऑफ द पोएम होम एंड लव?
The poet is Robert William Service.
Whose life becomes divine?
When one is blessed with home and love, his life becomes divine.
What do home and love convey?
Home and love convey a wide and gracious range of speech.
Where do the angels live?
The angels live in heaven.
Which two things travel hand and glove?
Home and love travel hand in glove.
What is hard to gauge?
It is hard to gauge which word between home and love is the best.
Why does bitterness arise?
Where there is no love, there arises bitterness.
How does pain arise?
If there is love but there is no home, it becomes very painful.
What message does the poet have for those who have both home and love?
The poet says that those who have both home and love can spend their days happily.
When does one have a winning position?
One has a winning position if one possesses both home and love.
What do our family members do for us?
Our family members love and care us.
Answer in a word or a phrase. Where do we live and rise up in life?
At home,
Who love and nurture us?
our parents,
Which two things are very important for us?
home and love,
Who are the messengers of gods and goddesses?
angels,
Where do the angels live?
in heaven,
Who do you mean by gracious?
pleasant and sweet,
What do we call the abode of God?
heaven,
Can you separate home and love?
no,
How do home and love travel?
hand and glove,
What do we mean by hand and glove?
related to each other,
What contain the wide and gracious range of speech?
home and love,
Where was Robert William Service born?
in Preston, England,
What do home and love convey?
a wide and gracious range of speech.
Fill in the blanks with the right words. We love home because we
Live here and rise up in life.
home and love contain the wide and dash.
Gracious range of speech.
The expression heaven means
Abode of God and goddesses.
home without love is,
Bitterness.
love without home is,
Pain.
home and love travel.
Hand and glove.
The angels discuss about dash.
Home and love.
If love is withdrawn, dash arises.
Bitterness.
Dash is a place where angels talk.
Heaven.
Love can seldom exist without dash.
Home.
Thank you.
ଏକ ବିଶେଷ ସୂଚନା। ନମସ୍କାର। ଏତଦ୍ୱାରା ସମସ୍ତ ବିଦ୍ୟାର୍ଥୀମାନଙ୍କୁ ସୂଚାଇ ଦିଆଯାଉଛି କି ଆପଣମାନେ ନୂତନ ଦର୍ଶକ ହୋଇଥିବାରୁ ପ୍ରଥମେ ନାଲି ଅକ୍ଷରରେ ଥିବା ସବସ୍କ୍ରାଇବ୍ ବଟନ୍ଟିକୁ ଟିପନ୍ତୁ। ତାପରେ ସବସ୍କ୍ରାଇବ୍ ପାଖରେ ଥିବା ବେଲ୍ ଆଇକନ୍ ଘଣ୍ଟିଟିକୁ ଦବାଇ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ। ଶେଷରେ ଅଲ୍ ଲେଖା ହୋଇଥିବା ଘଣ୍ଟିଟିକୁ ଟିପି ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ।
ଏଭଳି କରିବା ଦ୍ୱାରା ଆପଣ ଆମର ସମସ୍ତ ଶିକ୍ଷା ପ୍ରୋଗ୍ରାମ ଦେଖିପାରିବେ। Poem to 9 gold medals, 9ଟି ସ୍ୱର୍ଣ୍ଣ ପଦକ। Poet David Roth.
The athletes had come from all over the country to run for the gold, for the silver and bronze. Many weeks and months of training, all coming down to these games.
ୱାର୍ନର୍ସ ଆଥଲେଟ୍ ଅର୍ଥ ଖେଳାଳି। ବିଷୟ ପ୍ରବେଶ। ସାରା ଦେଶରୁ ଖେଳାଳିମାନେ ଦୌଡ଼ ପ୍ରତିଯୋଗିତାରେ ଭାଗ ନେବାକୁ ଆସିଥିଲେ। କେବଳ ସ୍ୱର୍ଣ୍ଣ, ରୌପ୍ୟ ଓ ବ୍ରୋଞ୍ଜ ପଦକ ଜିତିବା ପାଇଁ ସେମାନେ ଆଗରୁ ସପ୍ତାହ ସପ୍ତାହ ଏବଂ ମାସ ମାସ ଧରି ପ୍ରଶିକ୍ଷଣ ନେଉଥିଲେ।
The spectators gathered around the old field. The cheer on all the young women and men. The final event of the day was approaching. Excitement grew high to begin.
ସ୍ପେକ୍ଟାଟର୍ସ ଦର୍ଶକମାନେ, ଚିୟର ଉତ୍ସାହିତ କରିବା, ଏକ୍ସାଇଟମେଣ୍ଟ ଉତ୍ତେଜନା। ଏକ ପୁରାତନ ଖେଳ ପଡ଼ିଆର ଚାରିପାଖରେ ଦର୍ଶକମାନେ ଏକତ୍ର ହେଲେ। ସମସ୍ତେ ଯୁବକ ଯୁବତୀ ଖେଳାଳିମାନଙ୍କୁ ଉତ୍ସାହିତ କରିବାକୁ ଆସିଗଲେ। ଦିନର ଚୂଡ଼ାନ୍ତ ଖେଳ ନିକଟତର ହୋଇ ଆସୁଥିଲା ଓ ଉତ୍ତେଜନା ବଢ଼ିବାକୁ ଲାଗିଲା।
The blocks were all lined up for those who would use them. The 100-yard dash and the race to be run. These were 9 reserved athletes in back of the starting line, paused for the sound of the gun.
ରିଜଲ୍ଭ ହେଲା ସଂକଳ୍ପବଦ୍ଧ, ପଜ୍ ହେଲା ପ୍ରସ୍ତୁତ। 100 ୟାର୍ଡ ଦ୍ରୁତ ଦୌଡ଼ ପାଇଁ ଖେଳାଳିମାନଙ୍କ ଦ୍ୱାରା ବ୍ୟବହୃତ ହେବାକୁ ଥିବା ବ୍ଲକ୍ ଗୁଡ଼ିକ ଧାଡ଼ିରେ ସଜା ହୋଇଥିଲା ଏବଂ ଦୌଡ଼ ପ୍ରତିଯୋଗିତା ହେବାକୁ ଯାଉଥିଲା। 9 ଜଣ ସଂକଳ୍ପବଦ୍ଧ ଆରମ୍ଭ ଗାର ପଛରୁ ବନ୍ଧୁକର ଧ୍ୱନି ଶୁଣିବାକୁ ପ୍ରସ୍ତୁତ ହୋଇ ରହିଥିଲେ।
The signal was given, the pistol exploded, and so did the runners all charging ahead. But the smallest among them, he stumbled and staggered and fell to the asphalt instead.
ଏକ୍ସପ୍ଲୋଡେଡ୍ ଶବ୍ଦ ବିସ୍ଫୋରିତ ହେଲା। ଷ୍ଟମ୍ବଲ୍ଡ ଝୁଣ୍ଟି ପଡ଼ିଲା ଓ ପଡ଼ିଗଲା। ଷ୍ଟାଗର୍ଡ ଭାରସାମ୍ୟ ହରାଇଲା। ଦୌଡ଼ ପାଇଁ ସଙ୍କେତ ଦିଆଗଲା। ପିସ୍ତଲର ଶବ୍ଦ ବିସ୍ଫୋରିତ ହେଲା। ଧାବକମାନେ ଆଗକୁ ଦୌଡ଼ିବାକୁ ଆରମ୍ଭ କଲେ। ମାତ୍ର ସେମାନଙ୍କ ମଧ୍ୟରେ ସର୍ବକନିଷ୍ଠ ଧାବକଟି ଝୁଣ୍ଟି ପଡ଼ିଲା ଓ ଭାରସାମ୍ୟ ହରାଇଲା ଏବଂ ଶେଷରେ ପିଚୁ ରାସ୍ତାରେ ପଡ଼ିଗଲା।
He gave out a cry in frustration and anguish. His dreams and his efforts all dashed in the dirt. But as sure as I am standing here telling this story, the same goes for what next occurred.
ଫ୍ରଷ୍ଟ୍ରେସନ୍ ହେଲା ହତାଶ ବୋଧ, ଆଙ୍ଗୁଇସ୍ ହେଲା ଗଭୀର ମାନସିକ ଯନ୍ତ୍ରଣା, ଡାସ୍‌ରିନ୍ଦା ଡାଟ୍ ହେଲା ମାଟିରେ ମିଶିଗଲା। ପିଲାଟି ହତାଶ ବୋଧ ଓ ଗଭୀର ଶାରୀରିକ ମାନସିକ ଯନ୍ତ୍ରଣାରେ ଚିତ୍କାର କଲା। ତାର ସମସ୍ତ ସ୍ୱପ୍ନ ଉଦ୍ୟମ ମୁହୂର୍ତ୍ତକରେ ମାଟିରେ ମିଶିଗଲା। ମାତ୍ର ମୁଁ ନିଶ୍ଚିତ ଭାବରେ ଏଠାରେ ଛିଡ଼ା ହୋଇ ଘଟଣାଟିକୁ ବର୍ଣ୍ଣନା କରୁଛି ଯାହା ଚାଲିଛି ଏବଂ ପରବର୍ତ୍ତୀ ସମୟରେ କ'ଣ ଘଟିଛି।
The 8 other runners pulled up on their heels, the ones who had trained for so long to compete. One by one they all turned around and went back to help him and brought the young boy to his feet.
ଅନ୍ୟ 8 ଜଣ ଧାବକ ଯେଉଁମାନେ କି ପ୍ରତିଯୋଗିତା ପାଇଁ ଅନେକ ଦିନ ଧରି ପ୍ରଶିକ୍ଷିତ ହୋଇଥିଲେ ସେମାନେ ନିଜ ନିଜ ଗୋଡ଼କୁ ଅଟକାଇ ଦେଇଥିଲେ। ସେମାନେ ଜଣକ ପରେ ଜଣେ ପଛକୁ ଫେରି ଆସିଥିଲେ ଏବଂ ଛୋଟ ପିଲାଟିକୁ ଛିଡ଼ା ହେବାରେ ସାହାଯ୍ୟ କରିଥିଲେ।
Then all the 9 runners joined hands and continued the 100-yard dash, now reduced to a walk, and a banner above that said Special Olympics could not have been more on the mark.
ତାପରେ ସମସ୍ତ 9 ଜଣ ଦୌଡ଼ାଡ଼ି ହାତ ଧରାଧରି ହୋଇ ଆଗକୁ ବଢ଼ିଲେ। 100 ଗଜର ଦୌଡ଼ ଚାଲିବାରେ ରୂପାନ୍ତରିତ ହେଲା ଏବଂ ଉପରେ ଥିବା ବ୍ୟାନରରେ ଲେଖା ଥିଲା ସ୍ୱତନ୍ତ୍ର ଅଲିମ୍ପିକ୍ସ। ଏହା ଲେଖାର ମହତ୍ତ୍ୱ ଠାରୁ ବଡ଼ କିଛି ହୋଇପାରିନଥାନ୍ତା।
That's how the race ended with 9 gold medals. They came to the finish line holding hands still, and a standing ovation and 9 beaming faces said more than these words ever will.
ଓଭେସନ୍ ଅର୍ଥ ସ୍ୱୀକୃତି ସୂଚକ ସମ୍ମାନ, ବିମିଂ ଅର୍ଥ ଉଜ୍ଜଳ। ଏହିପରି ଭାବେ ଖେଳ ସମାପ୍ତ ହେଲା। 9ଟି ସ୍ୱର୍ଣ୍ଣ ପଦକ ସମସ୍ତ ଖେଳାଳିଙ୍କୁ ଦିଆଗଲା। 9 ଜଣ ଖେଳାଳିଙ୍କର ଉଜ୍ଜଳ ମୁଖମଣ୍ଡଳ ଓ ଦର୍ଶକମାନଙ୍କର ଛିଡ଼ା ହୋଇ ସମ୍ଭାଷଣ ଏହାଠାରୁ ଆହୁରି ଅଧିକ କିଛି କହୁଥିଲା। ଭେରି ସର୍ଟ କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚନ୍ସ ଆଣ୍ଡ ଆନ୍ସର୍ସ। ପିଲାମାନେ ତୁମ ପରୀକ୍ଷାରେ ପଏମ୍ ସେକ୍ସନରୁ କେବଳ ଏକ ଧାଡ଼ିରେ 10ଟି ପ୍ରଶ୍ନ 10 ମାର୍କସର ପଡ଼େ। ତେଣୁ ଏଠାରେ ତୁମକୁ ସେହିଭଳି ପରୀକ୍ଷା ସମ୍ଭାବିତ ପ୍ରଶ୍ନୋତ୍ତର ଆଲୋଚନା କରାଯାଉଛି। Who are usually awarded with 3 medals, gold, silver and bronze?
The first, second and third athletes in an event are usually awarded 3 medals, gold, silver and bronze.
What was the event for which they had come?
They had came for a running event.
What did the spectators do around the old field?
The spectators gathered around the old field.
Why did they gather around old field?
They gathered around the old field to cheer on all the young athletes and to enjoy the game.
Why did their excitement grow high?
Their excitement grew high because the final event of the day was approaching.
What was all lined up? For whom?
The blocks were all lined up for the athletes who would use them.
How many athletes were there?
There were 9 athletes.
What were they paused for?
The athletes were paused for the sound of the gun.
Why was the pistol exploded?
The pistol was exploded to give a signal to start running.
Where did the young athlete fall?
The young athlete fell to the asphalt.
Why did the young athlete fall?
The young athlete fell down because he was stumbled and lost his balance.
What happened to the 100-yard dash?
The 100-yard dash reduced to a walk.
What did the banner say?
The banner said that it was a Special Olympics.
Answer in a word or a phrase. What does the poem 9 gold medals highlight?
Humanity.
What do we call a participant in a group of sports activities?
Athlete.
What did we call a person watching an event?
Spectator.
How many kinds of medals were there?
3.
Who assembled around the old field?
The spectators.
Who fell to the asphalt?
The smallest boy.
How many runners pulled up on their heels?
8 runners.
Who went back to rescue the young boy?
The 8 members.
Who cried in frustration and anguish?
The smallest boy.
What dashed in the dark?
The young boy's dreams and efforts.
What did the athletes carry with them?
A banner.
What did the banner say?
Special Olympics.
Fill in the blanks with right words. The athletes came from dash the country.
All over.
The spectators dash round the old field.
Gathered.
They dash for the sound of the gun.
Paused.
The days were all lined up for the race.
Blocks.
The 100-yard race reduced to a dash.
Walk.
Thank you.
ଆପଣଙ୍କ ପ୍ରିୟ ୟୁଟ୍ୟୁବ୍ ଚ୍ୟାନେଲର ନାମ ସୁପରଷ୍ଟାର୍ସ ଏକ୍ସପ୍ରେସ୍।
ଆପଣ ପ୍ରତି ରବିବାର ଦିନ 10ଟା ପରେ ଦେଖିବାର ସୁଯୋଗ ପାଇବେ ଅନେକ ଆକର୍ଷଣୀୟ ଧାରାବାହିକ କାର୍ଯ୍ୟକ୍ରମ ଯଥା ଆମ ସ୍ମାର୍ଟ ବିଦ୍ୟାଳୟ, ଆମ ସ୍ମାର୍ଟ ବକ୍ତା, ଆମ ସ୍ମାର୍ଟ ଅଭିନେତା, ଆମ ସ୍ମାର୍ଟ ବୁଦ୍ଧିମାନ ଓ ଆହୁରି ଅନେକ ଅନେକ।
ଆମ ରାଜ୍ୟ କାର୍ଯ୍ୟାଳୟର ଠିକଣା ହେଲା ସୁପରଷ୍ଟାର୍ସ ଏକ୍ସପ୍ରେସ୍ ୟୁଟ୍ୟୁବ୍ ଚ୍ୟାନେଲ, କେୟାର ଅଫ୍ ବ୍ରିଗେଡ୍ ଭବନ, ପ୍ଲଟ ନମ୍ବର L1739, ଫେଜ୍ 2, ପୋଷ୍ଟ ଡୁମଡୁମା, ହାଉସିଂ ବୋର୍ଡ କଲୋନୀ, ଭାୟା ଖଣ୍ଡଗିରି, ଭୁବନେଶ୍ୱର, ପିନ୍ 751019। ଧନ୍ୟବାଦ।
ସୁପରଷ୍ଟାର୍ସ ଏକ୍ସପ୍ରେସର ଅଫିସ ଯୋଗାଯୋଗ ମୋବାଇଲ ନମ୍ବର ହେଲା 8260186104। ଆଉ ଥରେ କହିଦେଉଛି 8260186104। ପ୍ରତିଭାବାନ ଛାତ୍ରଛାତ୍ରୀଙ୍କ ପାଇଁ ଏକ ଶୁଭ ଖବର। ଯଦି ଆପଣଙ୍କ ଭିତରେ କୌଣସି ଆଶ୍ଚର୍ଯ୍ୟ ପ୍ରତିଭା ଥାଏ ତେବେ ଆମ ମୋବାଇଲ ନମ୍ବରରେ ଯୋଗାଯୋଗ କରନ୍ତୁ। ଆମେ ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ଆମ ୟୁଟ୍ୟୁବ୍ ଚ୍ୟାନେଲରେ ପ୍ରତିଭା ପ୍ରଦର୍ଶନ ସୁଯୋଗ ଦେବା ପାଇଁ ଚେଷ୍ଟା କରିବୁ। ବୟସ 2 ବର୍ଷରୁ 18 ବର୍ଷ।